Hello everyone, I'm Vinay and welcome back to AI Champ YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn about logic gates such as AND, OR, NOT and XOR. We'll also look into their truth tables and try to understand why we need to understand these gates. So the first one is AND gate. The AND gate takes two inputs. Let us call these inputs as x1 and x2 and provides one output as y. And let us write the truth table for this. So truth table just provides information about all the possible combination of inputs x1 and x2 and what will be the output for those combination of the inputs. Let us just write that x1 x2 y. So all the possible combinations 0 1, and you just need to remember one thing in AND gate is that whenever the both inputs are 1 or true, and both inputs are 1 or true, then the output is 1 or true, otherwise output is 0 or false. So in this case we can see that when both inputs are x1 and x2 1, then the output is 1 and rest all the time it is 0. So we can see it by looking into simple English sentence also. So let us say that we say we need tea and chocolates. So in this case, this word and, we try to use it as AND operator or AND gate. Now when we demand such a thing that we need tea and chocolates, we are satisfied only when we get tea and chocolates both. So if we get tea and chocolates both, then we are satisfied. But if we get only tea and not chocolates, or only chocolates but not tea, or if we don't get tea and chocolates both, then also we are not satisfied. But when we say that we need tea and chocolates, we want both of them. So let us look into OR gate. So OR gate also takes two inputs x1 and x2 y. Let us write the truth table x1 x2 y. So all the possible combinations of inputs are 0 1 0 1. So we just need to remember one thing, that whenever both inputs are 0 or false, then only output is 0 or false, otherwise 1 or true. So in this case, for this particular combination 0 0, we get output as 0, rest all the times it is 1. So let us see the sentence in English one more time. So if we say that we need chocolates or tea, so in this case, if we demand such a thing, we are fine if we get chocolates only and not tea, because we are using OR operator. So we are asking for one of them. So in case if we get only chocolates, then also we are satisfied. If we get only tea, then also we are satisfied. If we get both of them, then also we are satisfied. But if we do not get anything, so neither we get chocolates nor tea, then only we are not satisfied. Otherwise our demands are fulfilled. So this is the thing about OR gate. Now let us see NOT gate. NOT gate is fairly simple. It takes just one input and provides one output. So let us call it as x1 input and y as output. The truth table is x1 y. So 0 1, so 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. So this simply reverses the input. So 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. Now let us look at XOR gate. So XOR gate takes two inputs x1 and x2 and provides one output. So the truth table is x1 x2 y and all possible combinations are proven. So the thing about XOR gate is how many number of 1 inputs are there. So if a number is odd, then output is 1 or true. If it is even, then output is 0 or false. So in this case 0 0, so even number of ones, that is 0, so the output will be 0. In this case we can see number of 1 is 1, So in this case, the output should be 1. In this case also, odd number of ones, so output is 1. And in this case there are 2 ones, so that means that there are even number of ones, so that is 0. We can also think it like if the inputs are same when there are only 2 inputs. When there are only 2 inputs, if inputs are same, then 0, and inputs are different, then 1. So in this case we can see inputs are 0 0, so they are same, that is why 0, and here also 1 1, they are same, so that is why output is 0. And in this case 0 1 and 1 0, the inputs are different, so that is why the output is 1. Now why do we need these logic gates or operators? So by using these logical operators we can create more complex logic. So this can be used in coding or even ML to see if the algorithm is properly able to understand logical operators such as and or not. So these are fairly basic logic operations, but along with that, if the algorithm is able to capture complex gates such as XOR and other combinations of the gates and so on, so that means that machine has started to understand some logical operations. So let us see one example in coding. So suppose we say that we need to check if number is divisible by 3 and 10. So in this case we are using AND operator. So to write this in code, the first logic is number should be divisible by 3. So we take moduli of number with 3, and if it is 0, that is the remainder when the number is divided by 3 is 0, then it is divisible by 3. And number is divisible by 10. So these are separate logics. Now if we want to combine them, because we want a number that is divisible by 3 as well as 10, so we need to use AND operator. So these separate expressions become one by using such logic operator. So let us summarize this video now. The first thing is we spoke about AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, XOR gate. So the number of inputs that AND gate takes is 2, for OR it is 2, so input, for NOT it is 1, for XOR it is 2. And the idea behind AND gate is it is 1 only when both inputs are 1, otherwise 0. For OR it is 0 when both inputs are 0, otherwise it is 1. For NOT, just reverse the input, 1 becomes 0 and 0 becomes 1. For XOR we need to see parity of 1. So there are number of ones in input is odd, then output should be 1, and is even, then output should be 0. We can also remember it as for 2 inputs. If inputs are same, then 0, and if they are different, then 1. We also learned about their truth tables, and we also understood why do we need these gates, because these are very useful in writing complex logical operations while coding. Also with machine learning, if the model is able to correctly identify some complex logic, then we can say that the model understands the logical operations. Okay, so that is it for this particular video. I hope that you understood, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.